Now in the Anaconda prompt, we are going to type a command to install the NLTK package. First we will try this command. See, we got message that requirement already satisfied. It means that we have already installed the NLTK package. If this command is not working on your terminal, then another command is conda command. So there are certain conda command which you can write in this conda prompt, which are specifically designed for Anaconda prompt. So which is conda install C Anaconda NLTK. So this is the peep command and this is the conda command, and hit the enter button. It will take few seconds to download. So this is the third way of installing the packages. So there are different packages which are available in the Anaconda. For example, if you are not able to find that certain package in your Anaconda navigator, so you can install that package using Anaconda prompt. So for example, here in the environment tab, let's check out some packages. See OpenCV package. For example, if some package is not present in this Anaconda navigator and if you want to install those packages, then you can do it with the help of the conda. The only thing you have to do is you have to find out the commands which are the best fit for your conda prompt, and you can easily find those conda commands if you Google it, and it's very easy to install it. So it's taking time. So for now we will proceed with the coding part, and we will get back to this conda prompt. So as we have already downloaded the required packages, which is NLTK, with the help of pip install NLTK. So we will start using this package now, and let's start with the code. Now after installing NLTK package, your work is not done yet. Now what you have to do is you have to install the required data sets which are present in this NLTK. So NLTK module has many data sets available that you need to download to use. So it is known as corpus. So the data sets which are available in the NLTK package is known as corpus. So different dictionaries are present in this NLTK. So let's see what are the different tools which are present in this NLTK. And instead of downloading all the NLTK packages, we are going to download the specific dictionary which we are going to need now. So import NLTK dot download. For example, if you want to check whether your package is properly installed or not, we can do that with the help of import NLTK command. So write import NLTK and run this. Yes, it means that our NLTK package is properly installed. See, now we are going to download the NLTK. And run this. Showing information. We got this information. So this is the new window which pops up, and so in the taskbar you can easily figure out this new window which we have got. So here we got the different collections of the different corporas are present. So all corpora. So if you want to download all the packages at once, you can select this and you can click the download button. Or if your internet connectivity is slow, then instead of downloading all the packages, you can download the specific packages. So these are the different corporas which are present. So this is the brown corpus. So let's download this brown corpus. Downloading packages, brown. So as I selected all, it's downloading all the packages. Download aborted. Oh, let's download this. Package brown is up to date. So different models are also present which you can download from here. So these are the different models which are present, and these are the all packages. So these are the different corpora which are present. This is the city database which contains all the information about the city. Then there are some name database is also there. Then different data sets are available. So if you work more and more on this NLTK package, you will understand what are the different corporas which are present. So this is the Twitter sample. If you want to work on Twitter tweets, then the Twitter sample is also present. So this is the word net. This is a dictionary which is present. Web text corpus. So different dictionaries, different packages are present in this NLTK downloader, and it's very easy to download. You have to just click here and press the download button, and within a few seconds it will get installed. So it returned true. It means that whatever task we performed with the help of NLTK, whatever download we did, so it's true. Everything is properly installed. Now we downloaded the Brown dictionary. For example, if I want to check what are the different contents of this Brown dictionary, so we can do that with the help of command which is from NLTK dot corpus import Brown, and Brown dot words, and run this. See, so these are the different words which are present in the Brown dictionary. So in this way we can download different packages, different corporas, datasets which are available in the NLTK without creating our own dictionary. So we can easily refer to this dictionary and we can include all these rich dictionaries in our development. Now for the chatbot, we are going to need some dictionary which is chat and reflections. So these are the two libraries or two packages which we are going to need today. So we will start with the main code now. So I'm going to delete all these commands. I have already installed it. So it's time to begin our code. So instead of deleting this, I will keep this and we will create a new file. And in that file, we will start writing our code for the chatbot. So first give name, chatbot Python, rename it from NLTK dot chat dot util import chat comma reflections, and run this. Now what is chat and reflections? So chat is a class and it is a generic framework to processes the conversation between the user and your chatbot. So whatever the conversation we are going to do with the bot, so there is a ready-made class which is chat and we can use it in our chatbot. So it is a generic framework basically, and which is used for conversation between the user and the bot. And the next is reflections. So reflection is a dictionary that when a value in a regression group matches a key in the dictionary, the output is the response. For example, if I'm asking you some question, that is, what is your name? And you know what is the meaning of what is your name. So there is a match. And if there is a match, then you will respond, my name is so and so. It means that you know what is the meaning of what is your name, the sentence of what is your name. So when there is a match between the user and the chatbot, then the chatbot responds. So this is the basic thing. So reflections are nothing but it is a dictionary which stores the key value pair. For example, what is your name? Answer is my name is so and so. So when the chatbot encounters a question which the chatbot already knows, and if there is a match, then in that case the chatbot responds. So this is the reflection. In short, question and answers. You can store questions and answers with the help of this chat and reflections. As I said, reflections is a dictionary. So if you want to view the contents of this reflection, then you can type print and type the name of the package which is reflections, and let's see. So these are the different key value pairs which are present in the dictionary, in this reflection dictionary. So whenever someone says I am, then the chatbot will respond, you are. If I say I was, then the chat will say you were. So these are the basic questions and answers, or you can say different response which the chat bot is trained with. So you can also create your own dictionary. So this is the basic dictionary which is present in NLTK. You can create your own dictionary and you can include that dictionary in your chatbot. You can refer the dictionary in your chatbot. So it is easy to create a dictionary. What you have to do is, if you want to create your own dictionary and use it in your chatbot, then what you have to do is you have to just create a new dictionary. For example, a dictionary which is equal to curly braces, and in this curly braces you have to create a key value pair like this. So this is the key value pair which you can create. So for example, if you are creating a chatbot for some specific purpose, for example, if you are creating it for some commercial purpose, for some hospitals or restaurants, then you need to figure out what kind of conversation takes place at such places. And according to that, you can create your own dictionary and you can include it in your chatbot. So basically, for creating a chatbot, coding is not sufficient. So there are a lot of things which you have to work out to start building a chatbot. And primarily, the main thing is which language you are choosing for communication. That is the main thing. So it's very important to have a good study of language as well as you should have a good domain knowledge as well. For example, if you're creating a bot for banking, then you should have a sound knowledge about all the banking terminologies which the user or the bank generally uses. Or specifically, for example, if you're creating a chatbot for some restaurant, then also you should have good domain knowledge. So for creating any machine learning or deep learning model, only the coding part is important, but the domain knowledge is also important. So basically, this AI applications, it is an amalgamation of domain knowledge plus coding. So it's very important to have a domain knowledge as well. So in this way, you can create a dictionary. Now let's see whether our package is installed properly or not. So this is the NLTK package. Yes, and it is installed properly. So this is the command which we wrote: conda installed C Anaconda and NLTK, collecting package metadata, done, solving environment, done. So this is the following package is installed. It's not installed yet, but see, the following package will be downloaded. So these are the packages which will be downloaded. Now you have to write here yes to proceed. So write Y, and it will start extracting the packages and it will start downloading the required packages. So this conda is installing the packages from the internet. It finds the source and then it fetches the packages from that source and it starts downloading. So these are the 4 packages which are installed: NLTK 3.4.5, Conda 4.8.1, and it's done. So we have successfully downloaded the NLTK using Anaconda as well. So I have shared with you the 3 ways to download NLTK. The first way is Anaconda Navigator. The second way is using Jupyter. Directly you can type command there like pip install NLTK. The third way is using Anaconda, and using Anaconda you can type pip install Anaconda in the Anaconda Navigator. Or if that command is not working due to some reasons, then you can go for a specific conda command which I have shared with you. So in this way you can download NLTK, and after installing NLTK you have to do certain steps which I have already explained you, which is downloading the required corpus. So this is how you can install NLTK and install the different corpus. So let's get back to our code. So now we have installed the libraries, which is chat and reflections. Chat is a generic framework for the conversation between the bot and the user, and reflection is a dictionary where there is key value pairs, which is again contains the question and answers, or you can say the queries and response in the form it is stored there. Now let's understand how to develop a code for a chatbot. As I told you, the one important point is domain knowledge. You should have a good domain knowledge. Now the second important point is you should understand the target audience. For example, if you are building this bot for banking sector, then you know who is your customer. Then according to that, you should train the model and you should feed the required questions. The third important point is understand the natural language in which you are going to communicate. So if you are building a bot for some regional language, then you have to train your bot according to that. If you are using your bot for some British people or some for English speakers, then you have to train it accordingly. So second important thing is the language which you are choosing. The third important point is understanding the intent of the user. Now, why we are creating this bot? Are we creating this bot just for information's sake? Are we creating a bot to do some operations? Or what is the purpose of the bot? For what purpose the user will ask questions to the bot? This is the third thing, means what is the intent of the user. And then finally, we have to come up with the good response as well. So, for example, if someone is asking questions to the bot and if our bot is not aware of the certain questions, then we should give a proper response that, sorry, can you please rephrase the question? Sorry, I don't know. So these are the specific response which the bot should give. And at the end, we will calibrate or we will try to improve the performance of the bot so that the communication should look more interactive. Communication should be interactive. So these are the certain things which we need to remember while creating a bot. Now the next thing is we are going to create a different pairs of the question and answers, and we are going to create the different sections of it. So let's do it.